Cardus marianus, Allen's keynotes. It is predominantly a remedy for spleen and liver disorders. Hematemesis due to disease of the spleen, liver region sensitive to pressure, liver disease affecting the lungs and causing hemoptysis, dropsical conditions depending on liver disease, influenza when liver is affected, gallstone disease with enlarged liver, swelling of gallstone bladder with painful tenderness, pressure, tension and stitches in liver on lying on left side, local muscular rheumatism dependent on liver disease, habitual epistaxis in psoriatic young persons, sudden profuse epistaxis relieving vertigo, collection of water in the mouth, stool very hard and knotty, insufficient, paste like clay stool, expectoration of pure blood, mucus mixed with blood, cough with stitches in sides of chest and bloody sputum, pain, pressure and stitches in the region of the heart, operation on deep breathing, violent rheumatic pain in right deltoid in right arm, much fatigue after eating on awaking, frequently accompanied by yawning, asthmatic respiration, varicose veins and ulcers, pain in hip joint, spread through buttocks and down thigh, worse from stooping, nausea, retching, vomiting of green acid fluid, profuse diarrhea due to rectal cancer, 10 drop doses, mother tincture and lower potencies. Cardus marianus, Boric materia medica, St. Mary's thistle. The action of this drug is centered in the liver and portal system, causing soreness, pain, jaundice, has specific relation to the vascular system, abuse of alcoholic beverages, especially beer, varicose veins and ulcers, diseases of minors associated with asthma, dropsical conditions depending on liver disease, and when due to pelvic congestion and hepatic disease, disturbs sugar metabolism, influenza when liver is affected, debility, hemorrhages, especially connected with hepatic disease, mind, despondency, forgetful, apathetic, head, contractive feeling above eyebrows, dull, heavy, stupid with foul tongue, vertigo with tendency to fall forward, burning and pressure in eyes, nosebleed, stomach, taste bitter, aversion to salt meat, appetite small, tongue furred, nausea, retching, vomiting of green acid fluid, stitches in left side of stomach near spleen, gallstone disease with enlarged liver, abdomen, pain in region of liver, left lobe very sensitive, fullness and soreness with moist skin, constipation, stools hard, difficult, knotty, alternates with diarrhea, stools bright yellow, swelling of gallbladder with painful tenderness, hyperemia of liver with jaundice, cirrhosis with dropsy, rectum, hemorrhagic piles, prolapse or rectum, burning pain in anus and rectum, hard and knotting, clay stools, profuse diarrhea due to rectal cancer, 10 drop doses, urine cloudy, golden colored, chest, stitching pains in lower right ribs and front, worse moving, walking, etc. Asthmatic respiration, pain in chest, going to shoulders, back, loins and abdomen with urging to urinate. Skin, itching on lying down at night. Varicose ulcers, eruption on lower part of sternum. Extremities, pain in hip joint spreading through buttocks and down thigh, worse from stooping, difficult rising, weakness felt in feet, especially after sitting. Relationship, compare Chelidonium, Cheonanthes, Mercury, Podophyllum, Brynia, Aloe vera, Cardium benedictus, strong action on eyes and sensation of contraction in many parts, stomach symptoms similar. Dose, tincture and lower potencies.